That's a horrendous accident. The bus has turned around. I can't even figure out what has happened. Oh god, petrol is leaking. Right now we are riding towards the east, so you can see the sun probably lighting up that part of the horizon. Oh, this spectacular view. Almost missed the turn. Not sure if you can see a small sliver of the red moon over there. Let me see if I can cross that building. It will be a little bit more easy to see. It's right over there if you can see it. It's extremely cold. There's a light on the motorway, and I'm hoping when the sun will come up, I'll look forward to it. But I'm pretty sure after the sun comes up, so I'm gonna miss this morning cold because I know it's gonna be hot in the day. And I'm also pretty sure as the day progresses and the sun starts coming up, there's gonna be a lot of fog. And my helmet visor will fog up. It's gonna put me in some trouble. But let's see how it goes. I don't have a pin lock right now. Good view. Not that I can see a lot, but I can see a silhouette of the mountains. It's a hill, it's not a mountain over here. It looks quite massive, like a giant killer. You can also see the sliver of that moon I was talking to you about, but it has lost its red hue on it. You can see some light coming up from this side. We'll soon find out what's causing this traffic congestion. Let's find out together. Not sure why this created this segregation. It's halting traffic. They're projecting it on that screen, it's not a display. There's a particular zen in riding on the highway like this. Gets you into a flow of motion, a state of flow. The mild vibrations that are coming from the engine to your handlebar, your foot pegs, into induce a really meditative mode without losing concentration onto the road. It's a nice therapy. I think you're going from mountain cross. Transporting a solar turbine's blade or a propeller, a windmills. And one interesting fact about this vehicle that's transporting, if you can see, let's see if we can go a little closer. It can turn its wheel in both directions for both front and rear. And if you can see, there's a person sitting over here who's controlling the back wheels. It's really long, so on a curvature of a road that's exceeding 150 or so degrees needs the rear wheel to turn as race it won't leave across. Check this out, it will be more visible here. So this guy has a wheel and this wheels are turning in a direction opposite to where the front wheel is turning with this cab right here. That's 3 propellers of a windmill. Construction completed. Massive structures. Right now we are riding towards the east, so you can see the sun probably lighting up that part of the horizon. Last time I was here, we were going to Pathway, Sungeri, Nar, Nadu, Kumily, and we were quite late in starting, and this road was absolutely crowded. There's a lot of divergences over there because there's a construction of a bridge going on. First breakfast done, sun has risen. Check out that range, the field looks like it's sharing it with some